There is a new Salesforce app called Q365 that will unlock new value from your investments in Salesforce and Microsoft 365. Here's the challenge with the old way of doing things. Salesforce is your system of record for sales and support, and they use it daily for opportunities and support tickets, but it's not where everything gets done. Office 365 is where collaboration occurs, including documents in SharePoint and team chats. This content is almost always crucial in winning deals and supporting customers. The problem is there is no linkage between a Salesforce record and Microsoft 365 content. This disconnect means you'll spend too much time trying to find the materials that you need, and it will not be as easy to share with customers as you would like. You need a solution that will proactively organize your materials, keep it linked in Salesforce so that it is easy to find, and make sharing with customers a breeze. That's exactly what Q365 does. Q365 automatically links Salesforce records with the right SharePoint directories, files, and team chats. Q365 activates the investments you already have in Salesforce and Microsoft 365 without adding any new platforms or clouds. Besides improving team performance, it also saves you money by using more cost-effective document storage within SharePoint. Thank you for checking out Q365. It's intuitive to use and it eliminates silos. See how your Salesforce record now includes files and chats related to that deal, all integrated directly within the Salesforce interface. Your staff only have to navigate to the Salesforce record, and they'll automatically see the SharePoint directories and team chats for that deal. They'll save time finding the right documents because Q365 automatically serves up the documents that they need. It also saves money because you're storing content in more economical Microsoft 365 cloud storage. Your teams will be more efficient and organized, with Q365 ensuring every deal has a designated location for documents and for team chats. You'll get files out of email. You'll use the powerful sharing and preview capabilities of SharePoint and end the problem of sending large files that are attached to emails. You'll promote a mobile work style, and whether you're in the office or on the road, you can do it all with mobile from within the Salesforce app. So you get all of these benefits. And keep in mind, this is a sustainable and thoughtful system approach because we're not adding any new clouds. We're merely making better use of Salesforce and Microsoft 365, which you already have. So to get started, it can be done very, very quickly. We can connect your team's chats and have those showing up inside of your Salesforce records within just a few minutes. A small project is all that is needed to connect SharePoint to your Salesforce records, and we're happy to help you with that. So we'd love to talk with you. Please email us at ask@qkom.net with any questions or if you'd like a demo.